This is Cooper with Waters WebWorks. Today I want to show you this embedded contacts database. Many people have asked how to do this, and this is the solution we've came up with. So take a look real quick, and what it amounts to is we make a view that's specifically designed to fit on a mobile device. That's what this is right now, and as you look at it, you can see that these contacts are right here. Now, the one issue that people have problems with is the fact that this is actually a web page. I'm going to tap up here on the top, and as you can see, this is an HTML page that I created for this. And people who use their phones really like to have apps, and that can be resolved. This is you can effectively make an app out of a web page. On an iPhone like this one here, you would click the bottom button right here and use add to home screen. Cancel right there. On an Android device, there's going to be a double button up about here in Chrome, and you tap that and you could click add to desktop. They both accomplish the same thing. So I'm going to tap here again, and in this case I'm going to add to home screen. You can call this anything you'd like. Let's just leave it at that. The favicon here is something you can change, and the tutorials show you how to do that. And if I tap the add button right up here, that's going to put it on the home screen right there. It has the favicon that I actually have on my server that I put this on temporarily. You would have your own, of course. So now what happens is when people want to look at the list, they would tap on it and it just automatically opens. Now this one is one I built as a simple HTML that people can go to, and it does not require a TeamDesk login. It has linkable phone numbers, so if they tap on the phone number, it will open up the phone. It has the email icon. It has a map icon. If you tap on these, they actually will take you to the things, and the tutorial shows you how to do that. There's also, you can make these and have one that when you tap on it, it's actually a log into TeamDesk, but it took me directly to this view. I can still tap on the phone numbers, but what I can also do is things with the records. In this case, I just made one button that lets us make notes for this person. So if I tap on it, I can tap down here, make a new note, there we go, save it. And there's the note for the person. And if I view that person and go down and look, and there's that note I made. So when I go back to the main screen, if I wanted to, what clients have used this for is many things. I went too far. There it is. Instead of a note button, well, they do have a note button, but they'll have many buttons here. You can make a little pull down button, and we have one client that actually makes notes whenever they've talked to a client. They have a button that they could schedule visits with the client. They have one that lets them make a task for someone in the office to do something in reference to the client. It's actually a very good way to make an application for mobile devices and people out there in the world. So the next two screencasts show you actually how to build this. If you can make your own from the example database if you haven't seen that yet. And of course, remember that we're available to assist you with your database work. Thank you.